Udon noodles are from Japan. They are made with wheat flour. They are large. Their texture is soft and slightly elastic. They can be prepared in many ways. I'm going to show you my version. Stir-fried chicken udon noodles. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by cutting the flesh of the 2 chicken thighs into chunks, removing the skin and the bones. Chop them. Put them in a bowl. Marinate with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix. And let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Cut into pieces 150 grams of cabbage, 1 bok choy, 1 tomato, 2 spring onions, 1/2 onion, and chop 3 garlic cloves. All the ingredients are ready. I can start cooking. Boil 400 grams of udon noodles over high heat for 1 minute and 30 seconds, just long enough for them to come off. Drain them and keep them aside. In a pan heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the chopped garlic. Stir from time to time. When the garlic starts to golden, add 1 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Briefly stir. Put in the chicken. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the cabbage. Stir for 30 seconds. Add the bok choy, the tomato, the onion. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the udon noodles, 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil and the spring onion. Briefly stir and pepper fine. The stir-fried chicken udon noodles are ready. Bon appétit! This dish is very tasty. The flavors of the ingredients mingle. We taste the fried garlic and the sweet pepper, the crunchiness and freshness of the vegetables, the flavors of the sauces. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.